Hola, Miss Bass here with your instructions for today's assignment. We are working on Project 5 today. Okay, first thing you're going to do, you're going to report your attendance right here. And then you're going to a discussion here, and you are going to follow direction. So when you click on the discussion, it's going to take you right here. Oh, it's my information, or my información. Okay, mi información. So it says in the comments, make a brief introduction of yourself in Spanish. So it says name, age, and place of origin. So you should have learned some ways in Spanish to talk about yourself, and isn't your vocabulary 1. So here you click reply, and you're gonna say me llamo, and then you fill with your name, and then you're gonna say tengo, and you're gonna put your age right here, años with a special character, don't forget, and then lastly your place of origin is soy de Florida, to say something else. And then you just click post reply, and that's it. Okay, let's go back to our plan, and we're gonna work on Project 5 today. Today the project is about Hispanic foods. So you're gonna pick 5 countries. You have the list of countries already from your previous project, but you may remember some countries where people speak Spanish. You're gonna pick 5 countries, and you're gonna find something that is typical from that country, like a meal. It's not just they eat rice. No, it's a meal. So you're gonna research about that. You say what is a popular dish in each one of those countries, and you're gonna create a Google slide. So let's make the example how I create. So I make my Google slide, and let's say my first country, Comidas, hispanas, and my first country is Colombia, of course, always. So this is Comidas, hispanas, and then you find your design that you want and all that. But I'm going to start. So my first country is Colombia. So what the project is asking for is to type the name of the country and paste the flag. So I'm going to, where's my slide? Here. So I'm going to type the name of the country, and here I'm going to insert an image, and I can find the image in the web. Let's move this here. Colombia flag, Colombia flag, and there it is. So I'm going to put the image there. Okay, it's right there. So I just need to make it smaller so it doesn't take all the space, because I need to put more stuff there. So I'm going to put the image, and then it says to write the name of the dish and paste the picture. So I'm going to find something that is called bandeja paisa. So I'm going to look for that here. Maybe they have it. And you research. I already know because it's my country. So there it is. Now I got hungry. Okay, let's put this one. So I'm going to make it smaller too. So the name is, and then I have to put the name somewhere. So let's say I put it right there. Bandeja paisa. Okay. What else? It says describe the dish. So I'm going to describe the dish. It says no recipes. I don't need you to say a quarter of this or half a cup of that or a spoon of that. No. If you want, you can include pictures of the ingredients too. So I am going back to here, and I'm gonna say the bandeja paisa. I just can go to the internet. Bandeja paisa. And I found information about bandeja paisa. La bandeja paisa es uno de los platos más representativos de Colombia, and paisa region. So I'm just, well, since I know, you read, you research, but since I know, I'm just going to describe it. Right there. It's a dish that contains rice, beans, green plantain, sometimes yellow plantain, no, that one has chicharrón, pork skin, it has meat, sometimes it's steak, sometimes it's ground beef, I think I got the wrong one. I don't want that picture because now I see that that one doesn't really have all the stuff that it brings. This one has the avocado. Let's try this one. Yeah, because I was forgetting chorizo. Okay, well, you know what the idea is. Okay, and chorizo is like a sausage, canned sausage. Anyway, so I just put what it contains, and that's it. So that will be my one country, but I'm gonna have to make 5 of those. And then you finish, you copy URL. Don't forget to change the share settings. If you don't know how to do it, go to the frequent asked questions section in our page, and it says use one slide per country. That means that you're gonna have 5 slides, and maybe you have one like mine here with your name, so you will have 6. All right, so that's it. That's all you had to do for today. Don't forget to do your warm-up, your discussion, and that's it. Do not forget to connect for class. Every time that we have class, we connect, so you have questions you can ask. I'll see you in class. Adios.